How to increase or decrease system vibration intensity on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. After that, we then go down and tap on sounds and vibration. Then here, scroll down and tap on system vibration. At the top here, you can drag on the slider bar to decrease or increase the system vibration intensity. So it goes by the step here. So you've got 100, and next one, 80, 60, 40, 20, and 0. So a step by 20% each time you drag it to the left or to the right. And that is how you can change the system vibration intensities on your Galaxy S25 series. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.